Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Today is February 12th, 2014. Wanted to go over our trading today. First, let's go over crude oil. Crude was its normal self, for whatever that means. But the pit opened at 9 o'clock, and we don't trade the pit opening. And right here. And the pit just pushed the market up. And then crude went into sideways chop for a long period of time. And we had this overhead pivot acting as resistance to the upside, nothing to trade. Then again, a long period of consolidation and chop defined by the right line trend line being yellow. Then we had a three-line break on a rising 50, which we don't take. It would have been a nice trade, but it's not in our playbook. The predictive value of that entry is low, and even though it was successful this time, it's simply not one that we are going to take. The first trade I took was a clean break through the 15. Now this candle was surrounded in pink. It was a two-line break. Order flow and momentum were with the trade, and the slope indicator up here was red, and it went for 9. Then we had really the nicest setup of the day. Actually not the nicest, second nicest, one of the nicest, because we had a great trade to the short side. We just have to have patience. Here was our three-line break of the 50. Candles outlined in blue. Order flow, stochastic, and momentum are with the trade. Bam. Now it gave us a lot of heat. I mean, this came back like 8 ticks. But the 15 was up, the 50 was up, and then it just fired out of the box, up 20. And this is a very fast trade. Then we had our perfect trade to the downside. Now this was a short. It was a three-line break of the 50, but the modified 15 was yellow. Slope was 0. Could not take it. But our expectation was the break of the 50 would give us a quick retracement, and it did. It gave us this momentum entry, and the momentum entry drove down for 11 ticks. It says 12 here, but I just scaled it wrong. I know it was 11 on my trader. At this point, we had 4 winners, so I stopped trading. It may have been one trade too early because it's set up for this wonderful C right here that would have given us an additional 22 ticks. We'll always take those, but I stopped trading, and that's just based on money management principles. Now the euro currency gave us nothing. There's no reason even to look at it. It was just really kind of a flat market, very dull. And on the Russell, we had this perfect bounce off the 50. Market came down, bounced. Now the Russell too, the problem we had with the Russell was that it opened pre-market, it moved up. The opening of the Russell just pushed it up higher, and then it moved into this long period of consolidation and chop defined by the yellow modified 15, which we don't trade. We let all the other people try to trade this static. We stay away. Finally pulled back to the 50. We played the bounce, and we made 11. Then I took my only loser. And the only loser I took, I felt, was a very, very good trade. It was a good trade. The 50 was down. The 15 was down. 50 was down. 15 was down. The 50 was red too. And this was a clean break of the 15, which didn't go anywhere. Now, there really wasn't that much of a trend. The 50 was pretty flat. You can see it's going green, red, green, yellow. When you see yellow, it's super flat. But it developed nicely. I don't want to over-critique myself. This was a trade that I would have expected to run to the downside, and it didn't. It stopped us out. So that was our one loss for the day. And then The Russell set up for this gorgeous C, gorgeous, but we were in that crude trade, so we couldn't take the C candle for 28, and that happens sometimes. You get two winners develop at the exact same moment. So we closed the day with 5 trades and 4 winners. 5 trades, 4 winners and a loser. Crude, we had plus 9, plus 20, plus 11. The Russell, plus 11 and the minus 10. Total ticks was plus 41. 3 contracts, you made 290. 5 contracts, you made 620 educational dollars. And we're just, pressing forward with our equity curve. We've had positive equity every day this week, and this is how you are a successful day trader. You just add to your profits daily, and we're winding up with a nice week. We had a tremendous day on Monday. Yesterday we had about 300 and 300. Now we have 300 and 620. So we're just building on our equity curve, and this is all based on our profit targets, not on the total ticks. This is an actual equity calculation based on a first target of 6, second target of 10, and then a runner with 60% of your contracts off at target 1, 20% at target 2, and then 20% left on the table for the runner. You can come into the room anytime for a free trial. Just go to our website at www.rightlinetrading.com, and you can. There's a sign-up page for the room. You can call us at 1-855-765-6681, or you can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com. We have also posted our online Trader Central lecture, where I go over the Forex, and actually projected the Forex charts in the room today, the euro dollar and the euro pound, and they trade awesome, just awesome. We just can't do all of them. It's more than I can watch, and it's a separate feed in a separate account, so it's too tough for people in the room to have a Forex feed up and a futures feed up at the same time. But the Forex markets do trade very, very, very nicely. So I hope everybody has a great day. I hope to see you in the room. If you don't come in, you're leaving a lot of profit on the table, because we're making money almost every single day. So have a great afternoon.